In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods 4 to Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Nintendo Switch model you have, either the original Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2, you can connect any AirPods generation to it. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about specifically the AirPods 4, but the process is going to be the same for any other generation of AirPods that you might have. To connect them, you will be using Bluetooth. So nowadays, the Nintendo Switch, any model, is capable of using Bluetooth audio. So to set it up, go into the system settings. So from the home screen, access the settings, and one of the options should be Bluetooth audio. If you don't see Bluetooth audio, make sure that you updated your firmware to the latest version available. In here, you will see any devices that you might have connected, and then you have the option to add a device. So if you have never used Bluetooth audio on your Nintendo Switch, you will only see Add Device. Choose this option, and now set the AirPods 4 or any other set of AirPods that you have into pairing mode. If you are using the AirPods 4 specifically, then what you have to do is open the lid. So open the lid with the pods still inside, and then double tap on this general area here. This is how you will enable pairing mode for this particular model of AirPods. So upon double tapping here, you might see the LED indicator blink to indicate that pairing mode has now been enabled. If you put your AirPods in close proximity of the Nintendo Switch, now they should appear on the list of available devices. If they don't appear, make sure that there are no other Bluetooth capable devices interfering with this connection, and you can try choosing the Search Again option. So once you finally see the AirPods 4 on the list, select them and they will remain connected. You will see this message telling you that it was successfully connected to Bluetooth audio and you are good to go. Now, before I end this video, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. When I was looking through the channel metrics, I saw that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to the channel, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems. So it helps us a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.